warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yunita Anggraini. I am a student at the Musirawas University Government Science Study Program.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wanda. I'm from the Government Science Study Program at Musirawas University.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wanda, saputra, Government Science Study Program Musirawas University.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mira Wulan Putri Purba, Governmental Science Study Program at Musirawas University.
My name is Handri Sardi. I am studying at the Musirawas University Government Science Study Program.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from the Government Science Study Program at Musirawas University would like to convey the result of our discussion regarding reference, bibliography, and how to make a bibliography. Whether it is one author or more, and we will tell you how to make a bibliography from a journal, internet, or thesis. Have a good time waiting.
A bibliography or reference is an arrangement of writings at the end of a scientific work which contains the name of the author, title of the article, publisher, and year of publication. This bibliography is used as a source or reference for an author in his work. How to create a bibliography from several sources. 1. Writing bibliography from the book source. There are several things that need to be considered in writing a bibliography of book source. However, the most important thing is to pay attention and punctuation. Here is sequence of a reference from the book. 1. Name. 2. Year of publication. 3. Book title. 4. City and publisher name. Sample bibliography of books. That's book, title, family medical care, volume 4. Author, Dr. full stop, space, John, space, Ave, full stop, space 9. Publisher, Indonesian space publisher. Publishing city, Bandung. Exit year, 2001. Writing method, Night, space, John, space, F, full stop, space, 2001, full stop, space, family medical care, volume 4, full stop, space, Bandung, Indonesian publishing house.
If the source in the book has to answer the L name written and the author name must be reversed. In the example above, the author of the book is Asya Triyanto and Agung Barizi. So the writing on the bibliography became Triyatno, Ahas, and Agung Barizi. Triyatno, Aha, and Agung Barizi 2003, Busine and Investment, Yogyakarta, Laksana Putra. B. If the book used I3 or more author 3 and L name, everything and only the first author name is referenced. In the example above, the R3 author, namely Rudi Hermanto, Budi Sarjawo, Rangga Saleh. C. If the author name is the same. Irfanto D 2001, Learning Web Programming, Jakarta, PT Indomedia. Irfanto D 2002, Robotic Algorithm, Jakarta, PT Indomedia. D. If you use 2 or more books certain that happen to have the same author name, then you can sort them by year of publication. For example, in the example above, the book which are robotic algorithm written by the Irvanto and publication in 2002.
E. Example of bibliography of thesis. Thesis and dissertation, the only difference is that there is the name of the university in it as a substitute for the name of the publisher. In addition, after the title, what type of writing is used? For example, Aulia, Princess, full stop, 2006, full stop, analysis of community satisfaction with health center service, full stop, thesis, full stop, Jakarta, full stop, Health Polytechnic, full stop. There is also Lutfi, Rio, full stop, 26, full stop, the effect of junk food on toddler, full stop, thesis, full stop, Bandung, full stop. F. Example bibliography of a books with 2 or 4 authors or more. Note, if the author's name consists of 4 or more people, then the author's name is not written all, but written only one and followed by et al. And friends. Books with multiple authors are usually books complete by multiple authors. Example, Siregar, Johnson et al. Full stop, 2012, full stop, collection of X4 management training paper, full stop, Jakarta, Kalen, DGPE and PPEI, full stop. 2. Writing bibliography from the internet in addition to print article. It is not uncommon for someone to take their writing source from articles on the internet, network, daring, or online. For writing a bibliography from the internet like this, the order is as follows. Number 1, name. Number 2, publish year. Write the year the article was published. And number 3, the title of the online article is not written in italics, but only enclosed in quotation marks. And the last, URL. Don't forget to copy the URL address of the article so that it can be accessed if anyone wants to prove its validity.
Of retrieval, don't forget to include the time when the online article was taken in full, namely the date and time when you downloaded it or made it a reference. Example of bibliography from the internet. Article data. Title, Is this the deadly impact of global warming? Author, Jeko Iqbal Reza. Release date, August 29, 2015. Access time, February 10, 2016, 10:27 AM. URL, http://liputan6.liputan6.30417night/ Inika Impact Matematika Pemanasan Global. Writing Method. Jeko Iqbal, 2015, Is this the deadly impact of global warming? http://liputan6.liputan6.com/read/230417night/ Inika Dampak Matematika Pemanasan Global. Access on February 10, 2016. How to write a bibliography from a journal. Writing a bibliography whose source is from a journal is not much different from that of a book. However, here are the journal titles, volume, and speaks. There are 4 styles of writing bibliography sourced from journals. One of them is using the NA formula TA jujur VONOHA.
NA, author's name, TA, year of publication, GU, article title, GUR, journal name, FO, journal volume, NO, journal number, HE, page. Example of a bibliography of a journal. For example, you use the competitiveness journal research with the following details. Article title, Consumer Attitudes Against Agribusiness Building Products. Journal name, competitiveness. Author name, Didi Junaidi, Anton Agus Setiawan, N. Supatini. Publisher, 2016. Volume, 18. Number 1. Page, 1-9. So, you can read a bibliography like this, Junaidi, Didi, Anton Agus Setiawan, N. Supatini, full stop, 2016, full stop, Consumer Attitudes Against Agribusiness Building Products, full stop, Competitiveness, acting in parenthesis 1, 1-9, full stop.